Hello everyone, first run Adobe Photoshop and please wait. Then open your image, select where you locate it, that's good. Now you have need to choose pen tool for path your image. After completing path, you have need to select. Just type Ctrl plus Enter. Then you select. Now Ctrl plus C, that means copy. And now Ctrl plus N, new page, you must resolution 300. Now Ctrl plus V, that means paste your image. Now Ctrl plus T, then it just is resizing and that's okay. Now you have to save this your image, or first must be drop shadow for looking nice. Now okay. Now okay. Now click on file and click on save as. Please choose JPG. You must JPG format. Everything is okay. Now save. Give name and select. Choose your path, saving path, and give the name. And then you must click on save. And everything is all right and all done. Thanks for watching this video.